Once you have purchased and downloaded the plugin, you will get the MSI file. Launch the MSI file to begin installation. As you can see on the welcome screen, this plugin supports AutoCAD Plant 3D versions 2022 to 2025. The installer can detect the installed version of the software on your machine and will present you with the option to choose. Here, as you can see, it has detected version 2023 installed on my machine. Whichever version it can find will be enabled and auto-selected. You can choose multiple versions to install the plugin for each. This plugin works best with our Parametric cable tray plugin, so if the installer cannot find it, then it will give you the screen to visit either Autodesk App Store or our official web store to acquire it. However, if you have the plugin already installed, then this screen won't be shown to you. Here you can choose the directory for the installation files. You can freely choose, however, you need to remember you are required to have full access to that location. Once satisfied, simply click Install and the plugin will be installed for you. Okay, the installation has been completed. You can choose to view the README file, which contains all the necessary information and instructions to get started with the plugin. However, this video explains all the steps in great detail. Let's now see where the plugin files are installed, which is inside the Contents folder of AutoCAD Plant 3D. By default, the Contents folder is located in the root directory of your OS drive. If you do not remember or do not know where it is, then you can find it with a simple method. Simply launch Specs Editor for AutoCAD Plant 3D. Go to Tools menu and click on Modify Shared Content folder. The path to your Contents folder is listed here. Okay, now let's look inside the Contents folder. The scripts are installed in CPAC Common, then Custom Scripts folders. You can see the files for both Imperial and Metric systems. Now, launch AutoCAD Plant 3D. Open up a project or create new. Give it a name and save location. Choose the working units. For this guide, we are using metric in millimeter. Finish setting up the project. Add a new drawing to the project by any name you want. Execute the command, Plant Register Custom Scripts. This will compile the Python scripts and make the plugin ready. You can verify the successful compile by not receiving any error message during the execution of command. You can also take a look at the Contents folder and will notice some additional files are created, which indicate that compile is successful. Now you need to import the spec sheet to your project. Right-click on the pipe specs and click on Copy Specs to project. Locate the specs sheet and import. Remember to select correct unit system while importing. Locate the imported specs sheet and right-click on it and choose Set as Current Specs. You can see the tool palette showing support components. However, the images are not shown. It's okay. Simply restart AutoCAD and they will appear. Execute another command, which is Plant Endcodes, to create the required endcode labeled as CT for this plugin. If it's not already there, click on Add and fill in the information and click OK. This is a one-time setting for AutoCAD. Next, open your project setting by right-click on Project Name. Go to Plant 3D DWG setting and then to Piping Connection Settings and add a new joint labeled CT joint. You will be required to repeat this step for every new project. Remember to select CT for both ends, add a property, nominal diameter, and select Universal under Fasteners. Click Add, then OK. You are all set to use the plugin now.